Mom, why are you mixing baking soda and vinegar today? Is it for a volcano experiment?
Not this time, superhero. Today we're using science magic to clean our messy sink drain.
Ew, that drain looks yucky.
No worries, our fizzing friends can help. Watch this. Baking soda is a base, and it's great for cleaning.
Whoa, it's like a bubbly dance party.
Why is it fizzing so much, Mom?
The vinegar fairies are meeting the baking soda warriors, and they're having a chemical reaction. That's why it's fizzing so much.
We're here to help clean the drain. Let's get to work, baking soda warriors.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, it's like they're working together to clean everything up.
Exactly. When vinegar and baking soda mix, they create carbon dioxide bubbles, which help to scrub and clean.
And we love making things sparkle and shine. Thanks, vinegar fairies. Wow, it's like a glass.
When baking soda and vinegar mix, they make carbon dioxide gas. That's the fizz.
So the gas pushes out the dirt?
Exactly. The fizz helps scrub the dirt away. No harsh chemicals needed.
And science saves the day.
And it's safe, fun, and great for the environment, too. So next time you see baking soda and vinegar fizz, remember, it's more than a cool trick. It's a real acid-base reaction that's cleaning up our mess.
Mom's Kitchen Science Lab is the best!
Subscribe for more science fun.